Giant logging machines, the most advanced technologies created by humans for the purpose of forestry exploitation. Breathtaking moments with dangerous action scenes, because this action promises any moment. Invite you to start watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to update the latest videos on the channel. Enter the world of Giants. Machines are a testament to human ingenuity that surpasses the boundaries of what can be viewed in amazement when surpassing the limits of what seems to be a legend.
Stop piping them.
Face dangers and conquer impressive achievements. Imagine you are facing a towering timber mountain. In your hand is a secret weapon, a powerful X-118 wood saw. This saw is designed for efficiency, making it easy to tackle all types of wood, from hardwoods to softwoods and everything in between. The X-118 log ripper conquers all with power and precision. Imagine the hidden dangers lurking inside those root balls, waiting to surprise unsuspecting vandals. The scenario makes you shudder, which is why awareness and preparation are so important in this field. A machine that is redefining logging. It has a Mercedes engine with a massive 268 horsepower. The Pon Ergo, a giant toy in the forestry industry, is redefining the profession of tree cutting. Its Mercedes engine with up to 268 horsepower and 8-wheel drive helped the machine handle any challenge, along with a hydraulic boom that extends up to 36 feet. With the Pon Ergo, the logger reaches maximum efficiency. In the forestry industry, machines like the HSL60 Mueller set new standards for chip production. The ProMax rotor ensures a smooth and even coating, while the compact and lightweight design enhances visibility and dynamics. With a power range from 70 to 95 horsepower, the HSL60 Mueller is a surefire step forward. Winter is coming, and there is nothing better than having a big pile of firewood to keep warm in the cold days. Let's look forward to this warm firewood moment is to give to the community. Each heavy log is unloaded, stacked high in the yard. Symbolizing this careful preparation is not just firewood, but it symbolizes warmth and protection against the bitter cold of winter. With such a big pile of wood, this winter will not be cold anymore. Each log is a source of energy that creates a warm and peaceful home. If it were you, what would you do with a pile like this? Light a fire, make a cup of hot tea and gather with family, or spend time reading a book in your cozy atmosphere.
Banyak sana guys. Burung hantu nyerba. Ada burung hantu tadi keluar guys.